Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we are going to install Firefox on OpenBSD. So package add is command and then just Firefox. Okay, and I think this will be done in a kinda split of a second, so we will see. In the meantime I can check the top. Oops, wrong window. Okay, so yeah, we are done basically. Right, and first time running Firefox on BSD. Let's see what kind of results we will have. So that works. Let me fix this a little bit. I hate working in virtual machine, but yeah. So Firefox privacy notice, thank you. And let's go to, I don't know, Google or even Bing. Let's see what's up. Right, so that works. And that's OpenBSD on a broadband speed. So what we have here? No, thank you. Blah blah blah. Test. Okay, fast. Let's do testing here. Come on, come on, come on. Your internet speed is, well, yeah, that's kind of nice over mobile phone, 3G, 4G, 5G, whatever. But you know, that's what it is. So anyway, thank you for watching and see you next tutorial. Oh, look at this icon. It's it's awesome, you know. So anyway, thank you for watching and see you next tutorial.